In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Steam general controller settings for the PS5 in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and will help you maximize your gaming experience using your PlayStation 5 controller on your PC. So grab your controller and let's get started. First, you want to open your Steam app. You've probably done this countless times, so it should be second nature by now. Head to wherever you have Steam installed and launch the application. Once Steam is up and running, your next move is to log in. If you're not automatically logged in, you'll need to click on the login icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, enter your account name along with your password. Make sure everything is spelled correctly before you proceed. This ensures a smooth experience without any hiccups. After you've double checked your details, click on the sign in button. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage, which is filled with your games library and all sorts of exciting updates. Here, look towards the top left of your screen. You'll see the word Steam. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Settings to access your Steam settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labelled Controller on the left hand side. Clicking here will direct you to the Controller settings page. This area is where you can manage how your controllers behave with your Steam games. The next step involves enabling support for your PlayStation controller. You'll see an option called PlayStation Configuration Support. Checking this box allows Steam to recognize and optimize your PS5 controller for the best performance during gameplay. Once we've enabled support, you're going to need to connect or plug in your PlayStation controller to your PC. If you're using a wired connection, plug the USB cable into your controller and your computer. If you prefer a wireless setup, make sure your Bluetooth is on and pair the devices. The controller's light bar will blink until it's successfully connected. After your controller is paired and recognized by Steam, it's time for the final touches. You have the option to calibrate the controller settings, which is crucial for an optimal gaming experience. Take some time to explore the calibration feature, adjust the sensitivity, dead zones and other parameters to match your gaming style. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy games on Steam using your PS5 controller. Now you can dive into your favorite games with your controller configured just the way you like it. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.